Hello everyone and welcome to another video. I'm not going to do a super long rambly intro. Basically, anyone who's like a loyal viewer of my channel will remember that I have a kind of thing, special place in my heart for Woody's grilled cheese at Woody's Lunchbox in Toy Story Land in Hollywood Studios in Walt Disney World. You keeping up? And Disney Parks blog have been releasing like a bunch of recipes recently because obviously people are stuck at home, not at the parks. They want to help people make some magic. So last week on National Grilled Cheese Day, what a day, they released the official recipe for Woody's grilled cheese, and I was tagged in this by so many people and sent it and told to like make a video. So here we are, we're about to do it. It's gonna be a fun time, fingers crossed. So we're here in the kitchen. We have the recipe from Disney Parks blog. I will link it down below. I'm excited, and Alice is obviously joining me because when is she not in my videos lately? If anyone doesn't like Alice, sorry for you. Can you imagine someone sees every time in your videos, I'm like, oh for God's sake, very good. So we have the ingredients: bread. Wait, no, what is it? Obviously it's bread, it's a sandwich. So to make the cream cheese spread, you need cream cheese, shredded cheddar, heavy cream, and some salt. And then, okay, so this is the controversial bit. You need some garlic spread on the bread on the outside. Controversial. Controversial. This includes mayonnaise, minced garlic, and coarse salt. So mayonnaise is basically egg sauce, and I shouldn't really have egg. So instead we've got garlic and herb soft cheese. Hopefully it's the same. And then for the rest of it, you just need bread, cheddar cheese slices, and then it says like provolone slices, but we don't have provolone in the UK, so it's just cheddar. It's gonna be cheddar on cheddar with cream cheese. And oh yeah, and some soup for dipping. So let's begin the process. For the cream cheese spread, we need, wait, are we gonna make the TikTok while we do this as well? We made a TikTok, Wonders in Wonderland. Give it a follow, give it a like, a comment. Okay, 55 grams of this. We then need some shredded cheddar. Alice, would you like to do the honors? 30 grams. 31. 14 grams of heavy cream. Honestly concerned. I had this a lot on my program. This is so thick. Oh, I put too much in. Oh no. Wait, that can't be 26 grams. I barely put anything in it. Oh well. It's fine, it's fine. And then what we need to do is blend until smooth. Blend? Do you think we can just, I think just mix it. Oh! My arms are so weak. Yes. Then the garlic spread we're not doing. Sorry to all the purists. You done? Sorry for all the purists out there, we will be using garlic spread. So, time to assemble our sandwiches. I don't know why I do that accent. Let's go. I do that accent a lot. I love an Australian accent. I don't think it's Australian though, I think it's like South Africa, New Zealand, Australian. Okay, it's your own accent. It is my own brand. I am what I am. Do you want to take it to the hand? Maybe have a second angle. Oh, okay. Should we do them one at a time? Pansy who? Just slipped. Lay out your bread. That is the bread. Place 2 slices of cheddar on 4 of the slices. So a slice. My whole slice is cracked.
Don't worry, it will melt anyway. Oh.
This isn't how it's supposed to be. I wanted magic and I got a mess. Then we need to spoon some of our spread on the slice. Yum. I'm going to put a little bit more cheddar cheese in mine.
True chef, she's making it her own.
You know, when it feels right, you've got to go with the instinct sometimes. Then I need to put some of this garlic spread on. I think this is like the butter, because people put butter on a grilled cheese. Take it to the grill. Here's the grill. We've got soup too. We are using Covent Garden soup.
Sorry.
We're using Covent Garden soup because we want to be in Covent Garden right now.
If you could go and see any show tonight in the West End or Broadway or wherever your closest theatre scene is, what would you go see? Comment down below.
Theatre scene. What would you do? Like if you could do anything.
If you could do anything, what would you do?
I mean, I would love to go see Waitress, but it's closed indefinitely. I'm going to see it on tour though. I would see Waitress. I would go to By Chloe. Although it's quite funny because everyone's being like, oh, I just miss the park so much. And I'm like, same. I wasn't going until like December anyway. But in my mind, I'm like, yeah, I just want to go to the park.
I know.
Knowing you can't.
But playing that hard to get game.
I mean, everyone's going to be rushing to go to Disney once this is. We've got some crackle going on.
To go to Disneyland Paris.
I feel like once this is over, like, I'm going to get Disneyland Paris annual pass and just go all the time. If you'd like to support me in that venture, Patreon link will be down below. No. What would you do if you could do anything right now, Alice?
go to Disneyland Paris, or I'd go to London and go and see a show, probably Wicked.
Sounds like a dream.
Yeah.
Back to Emily in the studio. Hello, so we're back in the studio and our grilled cheese is really wetting up. Things are starting to sizzle and I feel like we should maybe go for a flip.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I just don't want it to completely collapse, fall apart.
Ooh, okay. Yeah. Feeling positive.
Yeah.
I'm intrigued to see how that filling's gonna work. That could be the soup.
Look at that.
What you just want here is a pull. That's what we all want. There was no pull, but I'm still optimistic. And now we have to go taste test it outside in the heat because it has to be hot.
You have to not be in shade or
you
inside.
have to be uncomfortably hot when you're eating this grilled cheese to fully get the experience. We've got the loop player, we've got the grilled cheese, we've got the soup, the orange. Honestly, 10 out of 10 marks for attempting an authentic experience right here. This is the land area music. Oh my god, I could be there. Okay, going in for the kill. Ready to try? Cheers.
That is really good.
Oh yeah,
really nice.
It's so good.
It's not
so
exactly the same, but it's good enough.
It has like hints of it. It's like what you want. Oh yeah, so good. With the soup as well. I'm a happy child. Happiness. So obviously we only had half each because we're gonna make the other half now so we can both try it together. But that's the end of this video. It's probably gonna be a super quick one. Basically, try and keep the magic alive at home. This is a success. You should definitely try it at home. Yeah. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if it made you smile, because that's what I'm trying to do right now. Oh god, you can see Dad right there in the background. I think we should try a different recipe. I'm very open to it because I don't want to make banana bread because it's too mainstream, you know. Check out Alice's YouTube, Girl in Wonderland. Check out our TikTok, Wonders in Wonderland, because we're popping up on there right now.
Yeah,
I'm gonna say
it's a great time.
I've got one with 20,000 views and honestly I don't know how to handle the fame. See you next time. Bye!